Okay, in this session we are going to continue, and in this session we are going to discuss about toluene. We are going to discuss about toluene. So toluene, in a UPAC name they are called as methylbenzene, is an aromatic compound which is formed when one mole of hydrogen atom of benzene is replaced by methyl group. This is called as toluene, with a substituent which are less dominant than alkyl group or other alkyl group themselves. So compound with methyl group can be named as derivatives of toluene kama zikiwa zina substituent ambao ni less dominant. So kwa mfano hiyo anaitwa trinitrotoluene au TNT as a short term. Hiyo TNT ni kwa sababu kwenye old system of nomenclature, yani ukiwauliza wazee toluene inaweza ikawa haieleweki sana kichwani, lakini TNT is more understandable. From there we have 4-methyl toluene. Common name is p-xylene. 4-methyl toluene is like saying 1,4 dimethylbenzene. So in two above, P stand for para. Kama tunajua kwamba we can name the compound by referring to ortho, meta and para. Stand for para. If the two methyl group, groups were to be related as meta or as ortho, kama ni meta tungesema ni M-xylene, and kama ni ortho tungesema ni O-xylene. So it is worth to understand that benzene is the substituent with the molecular form ambayo ni C6H5 is called phenyl group. Kwa hiyo hapa uwezi kaita hii kama hii inaitwa phenyl group, but naming of toluene as substituent depends on the point of attachment. Inategemea tunavyo name toluene kama substituent kwenye nomenclature, inategemea na mijiatachi wapi. Kwa mfano hiyo hapo, huyu ni phenyl, huyu ni benzyl. So phenyl, benzyl, then tukapo tuna O-toluene. Maana yake ni kwamba huyu hapa ni group amejiattach, so tuna name hichi chote kama ni group moja aliyejiattach kwenye parent chain fulani. Unaona tuna O-toluene, M-toluene and P-toluene, O3 and 4. For example, kama una huyu hapa, unaona, so manake tuna hii hapa and then also tuna hii hapa. Kwa tunapokuwa tuna hii hapa, manake lazima tuone is named as 2 or P-toluene or 2 then in bracket 4-toluene. Kwa hiyo 2 in bracket manake 2 ni hii hapa 2,4-toluene. Kwa hiyo ni hivyo tu ndivyo ambavyo unaweza ukaname au group wetu unaweza ukaname kwa neno hiyo. So it should be noted that substituent group with at least one benzene ring are termed as allyl group. They are termed as allyl group. In preparation of toluene, first is the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction of benzene with the haloalkane in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, the catalyst at room temperature. Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Lakini pia tuna reaction between halobenzene and halomethane under presence of sodium and dry ether. Hapa tunafanya kitu tunachokiita a Watts coupling reaction. Tuna Watts reaction ile ya kawaida na tuna Watts coupling reaction kama hii. Kuna ile Watts reaction ya kawaida inayo double na hii Watts coupling reaction ambayo ina, so tunaweza prepare hizo toluene kwa hizo njia mbili. About physical properties of toluene, it is colorless liquid at room temperature. It is dense than water. Now it is vapor density is larger than that of the air. It is soluble in non-polar solvent like organic solvent. Toluene itself is good organic solvent. So toluene ni organic solvent, lakini pia ni soluble kwenye non-polar organic solvent. Itself is the good organic solvent, and also it is soluble in non-polar organic solvent. It melts at temperature of negative 95 degrees Celsius and boil at 111 degrees Celsius. Note, in most cases, toluene is used as organic solvent instead of benzene because it is less toxic as compared to benzene. So in chemical reactions of benzene, commonly toluene undergoes the following chemical reaction. Tuna side chain chemical reaction and electrophilic substitution reaction. Side chain chemical reactions zinatokea kwenye methyl ambaye amejiattach. Kwa mfano tuna oxidation which can lead to formation of benzoaldehyde if we are oxidizing with weak oxidizing agent. Weak jina jingine naita milder, that means weak. But if we are oxidizing with a strong oxidizing agent such as potassium permanganate or potassium dichromate, we get a benzoic acid. So these are the reactions which involve the substituted group. Also we may have the free radical substitution reaction in which tunaweza tukareactisha toluene with the maybe halogen in the presence of UV light, and the free radical substitution reaction which occur at that of alkene can occur here and lead to the formation of a compound like this one. Also we have electrophilic substitution reaction in which a methyl is the orthopara director because it is activator. So under this heading, toluene undergoes similar chemical reaction as those of benzene. The only modification in this reaction is that the methyl group in toluene acts as orthopara director, forming para product as major product. Orthomethyl group being activator makes toluene more reactive than benzene towards the electrophile. Thus, electrophilic substitution reaction in toluene occur at faster rate than those in benzene. The reason behind is because of the positive inductive effect caused by the methyl group. So tunaweza tukafanya halogenation, tunaweza tukafanya alkylation, tunaweza tukafanya reaction zote ambazo benzene inafanya, acylation. So the student should be able to give other examples of electrophilic substitution reaction. Ulifaa zile za benzene, yani kuna Friedel-Crafts acylation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, huku zote pia zinaweza zikatokea. So this marks the end of our discussion regarding toluene. Na huku chini tuna solve the examples kwenye topic ya organic chemistry 1. Like in this marks the end of our discussion regarding toluene. In the next session we will be discussing about haloalkane before we move further to alcohols. So thank you, and let me wish you nice studies.